Hey guys, Pogo here with another tip for Eclipse for the IDE Tricks and Tips series. In this episode, I am going to show you how to use templates in order to be able to type code quickly. In the example, I'm just going to show you how to make a couple of quick templates, and then we're going to actually use it to write, just a small little plugin. So, in order to add templates to Eclipse, you want to go up to Eclipse and then Preferences. On Windows, it's more or less the same thing. You then want to go to Java and Editor, click on Content Assist, then Advanced. Make sure that Template Proposals is checked right there so that they're enabled. Then head over to Templates. And as you can see right here, there are a bunch of templates that come with Eclipse automatically. But what we're going to go ahead and do is going to create a new one that will automatically insert an onCommand method, because as you know, the signature for the onCommand method is just too long and it's really annoying to type out. So you're going to want to click on New, and then you'll see these this information. So the name, we're going to call this onCommand. And then you'll be given this context, and we want to choose Java for this. If you were doing something related to a Java doc, you would choose Java doc and other things like that, but the context here is Java. The description is going to be write the onCommand method signature. Excuse me. Now, under pattern, we're going to actually go ahead and type out public boolean onCommand command sender, command cmd, string command label, string array args. Then you can add this in, press enter. Now, one other thing that you are going to want to note is here's onCommand. We want to click edit. Now, if you go and see insert variable, you'll see that there are a bunch of different variables that will show up, and one important one that you might want to use is a cursor variable, which basically you can choose where the cursor goes once this is inserted. So we can go ahead, and the cursor will automatically go to the end of the line, so that's just fine for us. But if you wanted to make it go somewhere else, you could actually add in cursor like that. So let's say OK, hit apply, and OK. Now if we want to actually use this, we just go ahead and type onCommand, then we do control space, and then you'll see your option here. What we want to choose is the write the onCommand method signature. Press enter, and then press enter again. You of course need to do your imports, which I don't have Bucket imported right now actually, but as you can see, it just quickly enables you. It automatically types it in. You just type onCommand and do control space, and then it automatically works. Let's just go ahead and make one more as a quick sample. This one, we're going to call it not player, and this is basically going to be if the command sender is not a player, send a message. And then in this case, we want to go ahead and say if exclamation point sender instance of player. Then we need to get a new line, which I believe, hang on one second, I don't quite remember how to do it, but I do know that you can just copy that you can go right here and then copy a new line like that, and then you can find not player, paste it in, and then we can say system, or rather we probably wouldn't want to use that, and we probably want to say, well, we can just say system.out.println, and then we can actually use the cursor variable here, and then we want another space, and then we're going to end that. So now, if we go ahead and run this, then let's say we want to do the check, we say not player, control space, and it will automatically insert if not sender instance of player, system.println, or even better, I just realized for that, is we can change it to say sender, actually we have to edit it, sender dot send message check color dot red plus cursor. And now what that will do even better, not player, control space. Now you'll see if exclamation point sender instance of player, send message that. And if you just wanted to make it a little bit easier, then you could insert a quote. I'm not sure if that will work. Let's try it. That might not actually work. Alright, so it does work. And you would just want to take out those lines. So then what that would do is it would basically just insert quotations, and then it would automatically, so like, just do that, and then I say, you cannot use this command. So rather than having to type that out every single time, I could do it really, really easily. And then Eclipse also does have a couple built in, like they have one called sysout that will automatically do a system.out.println. And one more cool thing that I should note is if I do sys, you'll see that we get a couple sys error for printing to the error stream, sysout, and then systrace, which prints like the current method that we're using. But if you type, let's say, syso, it'll automatically, since there are no other options, like, you know, if we do not, then it'll see there are some other methods that it can call. But if we do like not p, it'll automatically finish it to be not player, and then it will insert it automatically for you. So that is all for this video. Just basically showing you how to use templates in Eclipse. It's helpful if you don't want to, if you have stuff that you type very frequently, like, registering events, the on-command method, checking if the sender's not a player, stuff like that. And if you check the description below, I will include the on-command and the not player information, so you can easily add it yourself. And as always, subscribe if you want to see more, comment with what you want to learn. If you like this video, click the like button, and I will see you guys soon. Bye, guys.